Hi guys, it's Rob here with another Introduction to Network Technology tutorial. And I forgot to mention it in the last two tutorials on this playlist, but please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. And don't forget that I don't just make tutorials for this one class, but on my YouTube channel, there are a variety of other playlists regarding information taught at the courses at NJIT, the New Jersey Institute of Technology. And if you're interested in, if you're either a student there or you want to just be a self-taught learner and learn some technical things, I go over everything from game development to networking, computer science, some programming. So please guys, be sure to check that out, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now, getting back to our review sheet here, an IP address is known as a logical address to distinguish it from the physical address or the MAC address of the NIC. Now, what makes logical addressing so powerful is the magic box, called a router, that connects each of the subnets. Routers use IP addresses to forward data. Now, a packet is an IP-specific container that enables routers to determine where to send data, regardless of the physical connection type. Layer 4, the transport layer, is the assembler or disassembler of software. Session software connects applications to applications. Layer 5, the session layer of the OSI 7-layer model, handles all of the sessions for a system. The session layer initiates sessions, accepts incoming sessions, and opens and closes existing sessions. Now layer 6, the presentation layer, handles the conversion of data into formats that are readable by the system. The application layer, or layer 7, doesn't refer to the applications themselves. It refers to the code built into the all operating systems that enables network-aware applications. The TCP IP model lumps together the OSI models layer 1 and layer 2 into a single layer called the link layer, or network interface layer. So, what we have here, we have our application layer, a transport layer, our internet layer, and our link layer. So you'll note that we lump together layer 1 and layer 2 into the link layer. And this can also be referred to as the network interface layer. Moving forward, just checking the time here that we have left. So the internet layer, any device or protocol that deals with pure IP packets, getting an IP packet to its destination, sits in the internet layer. The transport layer combines features of the OSI transport and session layers with a dash of the application layer. The connection-oriented protocol is called the TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. The connectionless protocol is called UDP, User Datagram Protocol. And the TCP segment is a container that has many other fields to ensure that data gets to the destination in good order. So now, what are some of the components of the TCP segment? Or all of the components, actually. Well, we have our destination port, source port, sequence number, checksum, flags, acknowledgement data. And it's important to note that each of these is going to be between a certain range of bits, or bytes, right, that are going to be, so a byte is 8 bits, but this is going to be some length of data. So destination port, I forget off the top of my head, but each of these things is a certain range. It's either an exact number of bits or bytes, or it's some sort of range, right? And the UDP datagram has a destination port, a source port, sequence number, checksum, data. So note that in a UDP datagram, we don't have the flags or the acknowledgement. Now, the TCP IP application layer combines features of the top 3 layers of the OSI model. Computer networks employ many different topologies or ways of connecting computers together. A bus topology uses a single cable that connects all of the computers in a line. A ring topology connects all the computers on the network with a ring of cable. The star topology is a central connection box for all of the computers on a network. And we're going to leave off there, guys. Now, one food for thought that I want to leave you with, one piece of food for thought, is what is the benefit of using a star network? And actually, try not to look at anything past what we reviewed. But what would be the benefit of using a star as opposed to a bus or ring topology? Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.